excited. She wants to go, but she's not excited. What the hell? You want to go or no? Huh? Huh? I know she wants to go. Vegas. Okay. She has something to say.
Vegas.
That was so exciting. She was so exciting there. I mean, this exciting of a life. You gotta be like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Vegas!
Vegas! On the count of 3, we'll yell Vegas. Okay? All right. So we'll do it like this. Okay. You can see us both. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3. Vegas! Road trip. To the right like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Like that.
You like it?
Okay.
Like it?
Wait, when it comes back up. Stopped over for what I like to call one of the best restroom breaks you could ever have. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. Hey, when nature calls, nature calls. Yeah, so this is all part of the Mojave Desert. Pretty cool. Oh. Anything you'd like to say about the Mojave Desert?
Yeah.
You like your hands? Anything you'd like to say about the Mojave Desert? What do you think of the desert? This is her first time in the desert.
Yeah, it's first time.
What do you think?
Very pretty cool.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? See? This is all sand. Pretty much sand and dirt.
What's the name you called?
Sand.
Spelling?
S-A-N-D.
Sand.
S-A-N-D, yeah.
S-A-N-D.
Yep. So just set right. Feels like loose. Anyways, look at the beautiful sunset. That way is California, Los Angeles. And that way is a place where you can lose all your money. Oh, I caught the beginning of her burp. There you go. Somebody's been loitering. Okay. That's the outside. We're in a room. We're in a room. Pop this bottle. Vegas! Oh, it's really nice and warm out right now. You know? Yeah, dude. Let's feel the water. Oh, and it's not really heated. Okay. Oh, don't like that. Let's lay over here. Yeah. Go look over here.
Just to see you.
Las Vegas. Killing me. So hot. Can't breathe. Sweating. Armpits. Don't like that. Alright. Okay. Alright, okay, so here we're doing this, and in here we're doing that. And then to now we're doing this, and now we're doing that. And this and that, and that and this, and all these different things. Actually, we're gonna go right there. Am I blocking it? We're going to go to the pinpoint needle. We're going to go to the Seattle. We're going to go to the Empire State Building. We're going to go to the James and the giant peach. I landed there. Yeah, well, that's where we're going. Yeah, we're in Seattle. No, we're not. Is this Seattle? I don't know. Where is this? This is we're in Svita Park. That's where we're in. All right, we're going to go there. All right, bye.